So what we are going to do now, the units of measurements. So for the units of measurements, we will go back to the details. And in the details, whenever you select a material, you have to associate a unit of measurement with that. So if I go back to the same screenshot, what were the units of measurements for cement? It was 100 kg bags, or bag of 100 kg. So that unit you have to define, right? So once again, as I have already defined it, so in my screen it will be available. So Patan, please you share your screen again. I will guide you how to define a new unit.
Yes, sure. This is my screen.
Okay. So what you have missed here, just you have not selected the, you have not moved that indentation done properly, right? So what you can do, start from concrete, select concrete here and move it on left side, just one left. Okay, so now select water, one left. Okay, then concrete again, one left. Right. Now rocks. So you can leave it here also, or you can do it later on also. Okay. So it is not going to make any difference at all. Okay. So let's say the cement 100 bag or 100 kg bag. So select cement, please.
Yes.
Here. So here you see material already selected, unit of measurement. So click on this. So here these are already defined units of measurements, right? And one thing, let me repeat it. Yesterday, if you remember, during the installation, I told you there was one small checkbox which was load sample data. So now you see there are so many things which are already defined here. Currencies also, resources also. There are so many resources which you have not defined. So from where they came? There are so many hundreds of projects already there. From where they came? They all are coming from the sample data. If you uncheck that during the installation, it will be all blank, right? So it's up to you. If you want a fresh copy, 0 meter only, then uncheck that. Otherwise, for the learning purpose, you can keep that checked. So here, we wanted to have a bag of 100 kg, which is already not defined, right? So once again, any such thing which is not already defined, but you want to define, you will find it under admin menu, right? So close it, go to admin categories. And here units of measurements, right? So once again, close it, show the steps again to everyone. So just in case someone could not. So admin categories and units of measurement. Just wait here so that all others can also perform these steps, and please do it. So now if you refer to the picture I have sent on the group, cement has units of 100 kg bags. Okay, so click on add button and here define it, right? So short name and full name. 100 kg, for example, just type 100 kg as abbreviation and full name 100 kg bag without space. So what happened? Numbers are not coming. Okay, fine. So maybe what you can do, just HKG, for example. 100 kg. Just type H kg. Okay. Now in the full name, type 100 kg bag. Now we have, so let's define all the required units. So for wires, we have meters. So meters are not there already. So define it. Add LM, unit abbreviation LM, linear meter, and write full name linear meter. So wires and pipes have same units of measurements. Then we have sand, rocks, and soil, cubic meter. So define one more, cm and cubic meter. Then we have water using gallons. So maybe you can write GL and gallons full name, short name. GL. Oh, okay, GLN is also fine. Gallons. Okay, that's it. So these are all required units. So just keep it open. All others, please complete up till this point. Okay, thank you very much, Batan. You can stop sharing. I will complete the
Thank
remaining
you.
slide. Welcome. So now we have defined already. So we just need to assign it. From the details, units of measurements, we can assign. Sand was cubic meter. Rocks is also cubic meter. Soil is also cubic meter. Water is in gallons. Concrete is also in cubic meter. Anyone facing any problem, please let us know.